Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, I decided to show you how to make millions online, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. What do we do? Let me draw for you flat channel, because as you can see, price is moving inside the consolidation, or in other words, flat channel. Let me put investment of $75, and as you can see, price is ready to touch the upper edge, the roof of the consolidation channel, and after this to drop. But still we have quite enough space for the continuation of the current growth, so that's why we have opened sell position here, expecting the potential small but still growth. It's very nice, guys. We have earned our first profit. We have $144. We are ready to continue without seeing small downgoing corrections. Let's invest our whole deposit of $144, and we have opened buy position here. Because when you see such kind of situation, it's just better to follow the trend without any, attempts to sell or to go in the opposite direction, because this could be very risky and you will highly likely catch the knife, or in other words, receive stop loss. And we have $276 on the account, consolidation channel, but according to the Vortex, we're in the strong sell zone. And we have huge prevalence of the sellers at the market right now. And due to this fact, I have opened sell position. And to be honest, from a very nice point, we have a very nice entry point, and from here, we're highly likely to drop. So that's why, let's see whether I was right or not. I'm sure I was. So it's done. We have $530 on the account. First, let me draw for you the flat channel that we're having, consolidation channel. Now price is hitting the bottom line of this channel, which is acting like the support line zone. Let me put the investment of $350 on the account right now. So it's done. We have $835 on the account, and we are ready to continue, guys. So let's don't waste our time. Let's just do this. By the way, my friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and bear with me. Link in the description. Well, my friends, what can I tell you now? I have opened one more sell position, the CAGPI currency pair. We have invested $550, and it's a very simple trade. Firstly, we have confirmation from the ZigZag indicator that we're in the sell zone. Moreover, according to the vortex, we are also in the sell zone. Like, just watch the data from the indicators and apply it to your work, and you will be in profit. So that's it. We have closed this trade with profit, and we have 1,341 bucks on the account, and we are ready to continue. So that's why let's don't waste our time. Let's just find the next currency pair for today's trading session and get some more money for today. And I have opened one more buy position in the continuation of the current growth, because I have already told you so many times that when you see such kind of movement, impulse one, aggressive one, strong one, it's better just to follow the trend, not trying to invent something new. Just follow the trend and price will be growing, growing and growing, and you will be always in profit. So that's it. Very, very, very simple. Done. So we have 2,575 bucks. It's amazing result, my friend. We have multiplied our balance like. Subscribe to my private TG link, for which you will find in the description to this video, and be with the best mentor ever. Anyway, I wish you the best day ever. See you all, kiss you all, and bye bye.